So over here, I am in the home page of Google Tasks, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and create out my first task right here. So to do that, you can see that if you don't have any tasks under my task, which is the default task list that is created, you can go ahead and click on add a task right here. Once you do that, you simply have a task detail that you can add in. For example, you can go ahead and say check email right here just like this, and you can go ahead and say check work email right here just like this. You can select today or tomorrow right here just like this and set it to repeat as well. You can even go around over here and set different parameters as you want. Let me just click on create now, which is another way to create out the task, and that brings up a more detailed editor right here. So now you can go ahead and say something like conduct meeting, let's say for example, and I'm going to say, let's say for example, this date, July 22, and you can select out the time as well. You can even set this out as an all-day event so that it doesn't have a time, and you can even go ahead and make sure to repeat it weekly basis, or let's say for example, set it on a custom dates as well. So around over here, you can add in the description as well. For example, I'm going to go around and say weekly team meeting right here. You can go ahead and say conduct weekly team meeting. And in my case, I only have one task list right now, but if you have more, you can choose the task list that you want to assign this particular task to as well, and then click on save, and this is what you have. So you can see that I can go ahead and check it off right here, and you can see the completed list as well. And just like this, you can check it off, or you can go around over here and uncheck it out right here. And that is basically how you can go ahead and create out your first task inside of Google Tasks. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe